PLA 3D printing refers to the use of plant materials to stack and print three-dimensional solid products. PLA is a plastic that is widely used in the field of printing and manufacturing. This material works well in 3D printing because PLA is a sustainable thermoplastic material that does not have a constant viscosity value, which means that the viscosity value varies with the working conditions. PLA is widely used in 3D printing, and the operation of PLA 3D printing is relatively simple, mainly used in the production of decorative products, small tools, and small workpieces. At the same time, many industries also use plant materials for prototype production, saving a lot of material. PLA filament is commonly used in the automotive industry to make automotive parts and even some parts of instrument panels. PLA 3D printing is an economical and widely used 3D printing material. This technology has become a popular choice in the field of 3D printing due to its sustainability, good printing performance, and wide applicability. The basis of 3D printing technology is to build a product based on a digital model using plastic materials to print layer by layer. The technology is also applied in several industries, such as toy manufacturing, architectural models, etc. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription, and consultation to get more industry information.